Hi and welcome to exercise 3 of topic 2. In this exercise we're being asked to again calculate the area of the disk. I say again because that's one of the exercises in the of the previous topic where we had to do this, okay? But now, in the previous exercise we didn't need to care about negative radiuses being supplied, because after all the formula for calculating the surface or the area of a disk basically squares the radius, so any negative radius would be just squared as a positive as well, so it would make a difference. But now we're being asked to actually take into account the fact that if we get a negative radius, the program replies with a question mark. Okay. So everything else is the same as you would find out if you compare the two exercises. And this should be changed to then. Let's do this as well. And of course I'm going to do what? I'm going to take our solution from the exercise out of topic 1. And let's see what's happening there. Let's take a look at what we did. I gave you the area of a circle formula. So I'm basically asking somebody, the user in this case, to give the radius of a circle. I'm parsing it to a float, which I'm assigning then to the radius variable. And then I'm taking the square of the radius. So this is the power operator, radius to the power of 2. You could just as well write radius times radius times pi, and I'm assigning this to area, and then I'm going to print the area but convert it to a string where I fixed the digits and the fractional part to 3. The only thing now I need to do is, if somebody gives me a negative radius, handle this. So if, I'm again writing an if statement with an else. There we go. And I'm going to make a decision. If my radius is negative, I have to handle this in another way. I have to write a question mark. Right? And in the else case, well, that means that my radius is either 0 or positive. I can just do whatever I used to do and put this in the else. Okay. So mind the fact that I have to ask the radius first. That was first line of my solution, my previous solution. I have to ask this first before I'm able to make a decision, because I have to know the radius. But then I have the rest of the program being done if the radius is positive or 0. Let's check if this works. And we're good to go. So that's the exercise for, or at least the solution for exercise 3 of topic 3.